Greetings from Times Square, New York City. Here is a look at a pre-Valentine's Day, February winter storm morning in Times Square, New York City. There is the famous place where the ball is dropped. And instead of seeing confetti, it's an opportunity to see it surrounded by snow. Schools are closed today, but people are still expected to make their way to work. And currently the roads and subways are still open. But over a foot of snow is expected, and it's expected very quickly. It's a heavy falling snow. So we'll have to see how the remainder of the day turns out. Until then, from Times Square, New York City, keep warm.